Gentlemen, need everybody back from the fence, please. Please no standing along the fence at this time. Monster trucks are about to make their way in. They walk in front of the white barrels here tonight, but please do not stand or take pictures between the white barrel and the catch fence. That's the walkway only. Thank you. That's for all times tonight.
Motorsports fans, I got a question. Are you ready for Spring Monster Truck Mania? Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chaos Corbin Hurley, joined alongside the voice of the book, Mr. Andy Kaiser. We're the two event hosts here today, but I got a question. Are you ready to meet your monster trucks? We're gonna start ladies first. Ladies, get on your feet for this young lady behind the wheel of a 10,000-pound polar bear from Howell, Michigan. Driving earlier this year, debuting that awesome-looking monster truck. One of the coolest bodies that I've seen in quite some time. A brand new ride for 2025. Representing for the ladies out there. Monster truck fans, get those bear claws in the air. From Howell, Michigan, it's Kylie Cat and Burst. And we're going to keep it going with the ladies for just a little bit, making her monster truck debut here this afternoon, sending it runs in her family. Ladies, making some noise out here today from Hagerstown, Maryland, returning to the monster truck circuit after nearly a 2-year-long hiatus. But fans, don't adjust your eyes. Don't wipe your eyes, you are seeing it right here on the track. A brand new paint job for the old school ride. Make some noise, making her debut here today. It's Jessie Turner and Brenda Victor. And speaking of Hagerstown, Maryland, another Hagerstown, Maryland native behind the wheel was awesome-looking monster truck, rocking that special Truckin' for Troops paint scheme here this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, new paint scheme, same old crazy driving style. Hailing from Hagerstown, Maryland, give a big Buck Motorsports Park welcome to Stephen Thompson, Hurricane Force. And ladies and gentlemen, on a brand new ride for the 2025 Monster Truck season, debuting earlier this year. The throwback, old school square body paint job representing the boss man back home in Michigan. Hailing from Howell, Michigan, knocking out the competition. The former overall event champion, now he's ripping up the buck for the first time. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Brett Falvey in the Haymaker. gonna go back to Maryland with the brother of Jesse and Pretty Wicked there. How about that? Hailing from Hagerstown, Maryland, one of the coolest looking monster trucks on the track today. I gotta tell you, this thing is absolutely incredible. For those of you that are dragster fans or funny car fans, you're gonna wanna get behind this guy. I tell you what, every time this truck comes to the track, it's got a new look and it looks just as awesome as the old one. I gotta tell you, ladies and gentlemen, he hails from Hagerstown, Maryland, ripping up the buck for yet another time. Please welcome R.J. Turner, the War Wizard! And ladies and gentlemen, we saved the hometown guy for last. The young man that calls this his backyard. You are his friends and family. Buck Motorsports Park rocking that awesome custom Wayne's Towing and Recovery body style for this event, specifically for the fans in the stands, all the sponsors behind him. He went to prom last night, but today he's rocking that fire suit. He says, hey man, it's time to sting the competition here at the Buck. Ladies and gentlemen, from right here in Corryville, Pennsylvania, give a big hometown welcome to Send It CJ Ratu and the Wayne's Towing and Recovery Stinger Unleashed. 10, 9, show her some love, give her some support. Not bad for a first hit. There you go. How about a big Renegade? Now what she has to maintain, she also has a... Now you see that truck and Troops paint job on the side. That is a non-profit organization out of Maryland that helps do wonderful things for troops and families. And as you can see, whoa, look at the balance!
Oh, whirling bar.
Oh no! That's gonna leave a mark. Well, for those of you who are wondering what the real bad thing is, that is a whirling bar. You just broke off. Now you see that truck and Troops paint job on the side. That is a non-profit organization out of Maryland that helps do wonderful things for troops and families. And as you can see, whoa, look at the balance!
Oh, whirling bar.
Again, knocking out the competition. Here comes the Haymaker. Setting up for something. This is the same move that broke Steve Thompson's bowling ball. Let's see what he can do here. Whoa! Uh-oh. This is the same move that broke Steve Thompson's bowling ball. Let's see what he can do here.
Have had enough of it. Hats off to all of the moms. We thank you. Whether you're here or whether you're looking at us from the bus.
The hometown guy is in the house.
On that form, I see on the Bucktron that the War Wizard is on the way.
RJ Turner exploding out here at the bar. War Wizard, what's he gonna do next? He's backing up for something here. Andy, you were talking about how CJ can stand that truck up on the two front tires. I think we're about to see here from War Wizard. Whoa! Look at the balance! Unbelievable! Let him hear you, fans! Let him hear you! War Wizard! it.
He's walking it back. Let him hear you, fans. Unbelievable. He might have got under the fuel a little bit and held it up there that long, so probably needs a fuel pump to build up the pressure.
It's the battle of the ladies here in round one. Let's find out who you think is going to win. Who says the winner's going to be Frostbite? Who says the winner's going to be Pretty Wicked? Let's get insane the block. Frostbite versus Pretty Wicked. They're saying pretty good. I'm saying it's race time. talking about putting the truck on 2 front tires. There you go.
Great work again.
That was input,
I think he cannot get it in here.
shock! Incredible!
I promised you guys at the beginning of the night, you were gonna get a show. Everything fell apart in the back. We did everything we possibly could to get it back together. That was for each of you. This is my hometown. It means everything to me. Wayne and Kim, you guys are awesome. Grandma, Vina, everybody in the stands. I couldn't do it without you. I hope you guys were happy. We tried our best. I can't thank God enough for all the opportunities I've been given. Make sure you come back and see us again in June, and we'll see you at the bunk.
We literally get to know the whole guy. Yeah. You can see